Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. This past weekend, I noticed these new modern solar stake lights at my local Dollar Tree, and here's what I did with them. I used a strong adhesive to adhere Dollar Tree wood cubes together. 2 hours later, I painted my cubes with this black matte indoor-outdoor paint that I already had at home. Once my paint was dry, I used more of the adhesive to glue the bottom portion of the solar light to the top of my cube. I then decorated the inside of my light with these Dollar Tree rub-on transfers. I decided to use the butterflies for spring, but I'll use alcohol to remove these transfers and replace them with ferns and leaves for the fall. Now that my glue is completely dry, I've decided to add a small piece of duct tape around my small cubes and a final coat of the matte paint for a more finished look. I chose a very basic design and used outdoor paint because I'm adding one of these to both sides of my back door, but as you can see, they can be used inside of the home as well. For project number 2, I'm putting 2 of the solar lights together. I'll show you what I did with these leftover pieces a little later on in the video. I removed the black tabs and stickers from my Dollar Tree 4.5-inch mirror before using that same strong adhesive to add my solar lights right in the center. This design looks great as is, but I've decided to add just a touch of glam with Dollar Tree metal ribbon and gemstone stickers. To hang my design, I'm using Velcro command strips. For project number 3, I'm using 2 more of the solar lights as well as the leftover pieces from project number 2. I wanted to add the metal ribbon around this design as well, but this project is for outdoor use, so I've decided to use Dollar Tree floral ribbon instead of E6000 or hot glue. Here, I'm feeding the wire through the holes of the metal ribbon, almost as if I were sewing it together. If you do this step right and take your time, the additional wire shouldn't be very noticeable. To complete the project, I used Dollar Tree broom handles. I really love these lights and how all 3 projects turned out. I think they're beautiful, but what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. Which project is your favorite? Did you know that you could use solar lights inside of your home? As long as they receive direct or indirect sunlight or can be placed close to a bright light fixture, they will work indoors as well. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. In next week's video, I'll show you guys how I use my very own Dazzling Designs by Denise glass glitter, now available at glamhomedesigns.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye!